move to the question number 3, which says that given that integration from 1 to 3 a over 4x minus 3 whole square plus 2 dx is equals to 12, find the value of constant a. Okay, we solve this integration. So this integration is integration of a over 4x minus 3 square dx, limit from 1 to 3, plus integration of 2 dx 1 to 3. We solve it further, it will become integration of from 1 to 3 a 4x minus 3 to the power of negative 2 dx, plus integration of 2 is 2x, provided that limit is 1 to 3. Okay, we solve it further. Integration of a is constant and integration of 4x minus 3 to the power of negative 2 is 4x minus 3 to the power of negative 2 plus 1 and divided by power which is negative 2 plus 1 and divided by 4, and in this case limit is 1 to 3 plus 2 times x and limit is 1 to 3, so x is 3 minus 1 and this one is equals to the 12. Okay, so this one is 12, this one is also 12 and this one is also 12. Okay, we solve it further, it will be a over 4x minus 3 to the power of negative 1 over negative 1 and limit is 3 to 1 plus 2 times 2 is equals to 12. When we solve it further, it is a over negative 4 times 4x minus 3 and limit is 3 to 1 to 3 plus 4 is equal to 12, and when we plug the value of limits, it will get a over negative 4 times 4x which is 3 minus 3 minus a over negative 4 times neg 1 minus 3 plus is equal to 12 minus 4. We switch the 4 on the right side, so this will become negative a over 4 times 12 minus 3 minus minus plus, so a over 4 times 4 minus 3 which is 1 equals to the 8. Okay, we solve it further, it will become negative a over 9 times 4 which is 36 plus a over 4 which is equals to 8. Okay, we take the LCM, it will be equals to the 36 and this will be equals to the negative a plus 9a equals to the 8, and when we solve it further it will become negative a plus 9a which is 8a equals to 8 times 36 and 8 will be cancelled out, so a is equals to 36. So we have calculated the value of a which was required. So let's move to the question number 4.